Hi, hello. This is Toby. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Toby and Tribe. I just recently got a gratitude journal and I've been writing in it every night, and this has been quite helpful for me because it's made me realize that, you know, in as much as some things don't go well in my day, that there are some things that do go well. So I think having a gratitude journal helps you to focus on the positives and the goodness of your day. It forces you or makes you, you know, become aware or remember the things that are good in your day, the things that have been great in your day, and the things that have worked out for you in your day. Otherwise, it's very easy to become negative and to think that the day was generally all bad. But when you write in your journal, it makes you think and process your day and try to dig and find the things that have worked out, you know. So I think I totally recommend having a gratitude journal because it makes you more positive and more mindful and more. I think it just increases your happiness, because you're forced to think, you're forced to process and dig for the gold, in the day, dig for the goodness in the day. Otherwise we just, think that our day, like we have bad days all the time, but every night I sit down, I write three things that I've been grateful for, and this forces me to think, about the things, the tiniest thing. Like the other day, I asked a stranger for directions, and they were nice to me and helped me, and I put that in my journal at the end of the day. It doesn't have to be anything grand. It could be someone making you a cup of tea. It could be someone, helping you with directions. Someone giving you a hug or smile. It's just about being aware and about. It changes your mindset, it changes your perception, it makes you more positive, and remember that our days make our life, the sum total of our days become our life. So if you have a positive day, then you're going to have a positive life, and the more positive you are, the more you attract good things, the more peaceful and happy you feel, because like attracts like at the end of the day. So when you're in a positive frame of mind, and when you look for the goodness of the day, when you look for the good things, then you'll find it, and thereby have a positive mindset and attract better things. So that's how life works. So before I thought, oh, gratitude journal, isn't that just a waste of time? What do I need that for? But um someone I know recommended it, and I thought, what, why don't I give it a try? And I think it's been very, very beneficial, and I think this is something I'm going to carry on doing for a very, very long time, because I can see my mindset slowly changing, and me um not just becoming more positive, but knowing it just makes you feel that life is good, that life is like, there are good things in this life, that there are good things, you know in our day, that there are good things in life in general. It just makes you more happy, more calmer, more at peace, and more blissful. That's the word. Yeah, it makes you more blissful, because when you're finding for the goodness, like when you're finding the goodness, you just feel more blissful in yourself, more, you know just a nice feeling, in general. So I totally recommend having a gratitude journal that you can enter every night, at the end of your day, perhaps before you go to bed or while you're in bed. Just write three things that you're grateful for the day, and this just puts you in a positive frame of mind. And when you sleep and wake up, you're more you're just more happier and more blissful and more grateful. You're in that state of flow and grace, and it's just a nice feeling in general. So I thought I'd share that with you and recommend having a gratitude journal, because it's been helpful and useful for me, and I hope it's also going to be helpful and useful for you. I think it will be, because I don't see why not. If it can work for me, then it can work for you. So I'm sending you lots and lots of love, and I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are, and talk to you tomorrow. Take care. Bye for now. Bye.